Hey, Epicverse fam, have you ever wanted to create amazing AI-generated images for free with no watermarks? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it, step by step, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. First, we need to sign up for an account with Leonardo AI. Let's go to their website at leonardo.ai. Once you're there, click on Sign Up at the top right corner. Enter your email, create a password, and confirm your email address. After signing in, you'll be on the Leonardo dashboard. You'll see options like image creation, motions, and others. But for now, let's click on image creation to start generating some awesome images. Here's the fun part, writing the prompt. The key to great AI images is the right description. For example, let's try a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and neon lights. The more descriptive and specific, the better. Click on Generate to see the magic happen. Now that the AI has generated your image, you can fine-tune it. If you want the flying cars to be more colorful, you can add that to your prompt and regenerate. You can even adjust the aspect ratio for different use cases like wallpapers or social media posts. Once you're happy with your image, click on Download to save it. You now have a stunning AI-generated image for free with no watermark. And that's it. You've just generated an awesome image using AI for free. Try it out yourself and drop your creations in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing content every week. Catch you in the next video.